1, 2. Look, hit 3. Make sure you're on target. Are you hitting it? Okay, fix your stance. I need a horse. Again. Yeah. Go back on the floor, sir. Just stay with me.
Yes, sir.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. I think we got it. Now, those of you who are not in a good horse stance, when your toes are out, I can tell you right now, you're never going to get the effect you want. There's a reason why a horse stance is a horse stance. If you ain't got one, you better find something. Okay, practice.